2023 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 47,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, auto climate control. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.